Welcome. Today I will show you how to check the warranty and the country of your device using the IMEI number. So to get started, you want to open up the IMEI.info website right here, and here you can just put in the IMEI number of your device. So I already have it copied, and all I need to do is paste it like so. And if you're not sure what your IMEI number of your device is, you can just follow the guide right here. And the gist of it, you need to open up the dialer app, put in the code right here that you can see *#06#. And once you press the last hash, it will just open up a window providing you with the IMEI number of the device that you have put the code in on. And all you need to do then is write it in the field right here, then check I'm not a robot. Now it accepted it without a problem for me right now, but sometimes it will pop up with a little window and you need to fill up a captcha. Basically it will ask you something alongside of select each square with a car or some other minuscule thing, and all you need to do is just tap on the square that has whatever it's asking you to select, and then click on done, and it will just look like this. And then you can click on check. Yeah. And from here, as you can see, it's a Huawei device, Mate 9. And from here, you want to tap on warranty, serial number, and country check. I'm going to open it up in a new tab, like so. And then click again, check warranty, serial, and country. You need to wait a couple seconds, as you can see right here, and it takes 10 seconds to refresh. And there we have. So from here you can see the serial number and basically all the information about the device. And then you have the valid and country, so United Arab Emirates right here, and the warranty start date. So the warranty started at 2016 December and then ends in the beginning of 2017, so it's already expired, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically how you would check it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.